So in this video, we're going to look at Grade 5 Discovery Music Theory, and we're going to do the chapter Rhythm 1. So this is a new series on where I want to cover the whole Discovery Music Theory Grade 5 whole book, and this is chapter 1, part 1, which is Rhythm. So as we go here, we can see the whole ABRSM syllabus from grade 1 to 5. If we look at our grade 5 one, it shows irregular time signatures, tenor-clef, scales, root position, chords, and more terms and signs. And in our contents, this is what our contents are. So introduction, and in chapter 1, that's part 1 that we're going to look at today, is rewriting in simple and compound time, which is revision from previous grades, or if you're going straight to grade 5, it's not really a revision. And grouping in regular time signatures, quintuplets, sextuplets, and 5, 4, 7, 4, 5, and 7, 8. So that's what is in chapter 1. Okay, let's move on to the first exercise. Also, our note names, a breve, which is a double whole note, a semi-breve is a whole note, a minim is a half note, a crotchet is a quarter note, an eighth note is a quaver, semi-quaver is 16th note, and a demi-semi-quaver is a 32nd note. So if you just go this way and times it by 2, it will equal the other one. Okay, first exercise. Simple time and compound time. Two separate, and we can see if we have a crotchet in simple time, it turns into a dotted crotchet in compound time. If we have a triplet in simple time, it turns to 3 quavers in compound time. If we have 2 quavers here, it turns into a duplet. We know that the beat is divided into 2 in simple time and 3 in compound time. When rewriting a rhythm, we can change the type of beat, but we keep the number of beats the same. Tick or cross each box to show whether each bar has been correctly or incorrectly written in compound time. Okay. So in our key signature or timing, we can see that 3/4 to 9/8 is correct. So we have that first correct. And in here we can see that crotchets in a simple time turn to a dotted crotchet, which we have. Triplets turn into 3 semiquavers, which we have. And again, a crotchet turns to a dotted crotchet. So we have that, and that means it has been correctly written in compound time. Okay. So we have a minim, which is a minim, and our timing is all is correct. We have our triplet in simple time, which turns into 3 semiquavers, but we again have our triplet. This means this is incorrect, since we need a change in our triplet, because in compound time it changes to 3 semiquavers. Okay, next. In simple time, we have 2/4, which is 6/8, which is correct. In simple time, this is a quaver and semiquavers. That is correct, but they've also added this this quaver, since we have a duplet here. No, sorry, not a duplet. 2 quavers, and they've changed it to a dotted crotchet, which is not correct, because in compound time you're supposed to change it to a duplet, not change it into a dotted crotchet. So that is again wrong. Okay, so we have 2 quavers, and that's a duplet, which is correct. We've got a crotchet, which should be a dotted crotchet, which is correct. We have a triplet, which shouldn't be a triplet, and 2 quavers, that should be a duplet. So that is again correct. Okay. So, oh no, I don't know what I've done there. Okay, that's fine. So, the next question is, will be crotchet rest, which could be quite hard for some, but this is basically the same thing as a crotchet. So we'll turn to dotted rest, which is correct. We have a triplet here, which is not a triplet, it turns 3 semicolons, which is, and a crotchet, which turns to a dotted crotchet, which is, so that's correct. We'll be skipping the challenge for now. Exercise 2. Tick one box for each question to show which bar has been correctly written in simple time. Okay. So we just know that a crotchet turns to a dotted crotchet. We have to go from compound time to simple time. So dotted crotchet turns to a crotchet. A non-triplet turns to a triplet, and a duplet turns into 2 semiquavers. Okay. So in 3/4, finding 3 crotchets. So as in compound time, we were looking for 3 beats, 3 dotted quavers. I'm correct, yes. So this would be a group, and this would be a group. 3, yes, and that's a group. So we're looking for 3 quavers, and we have that, and then these 2 have to be triplets if we want to be in simple time. And yes, we do have 3 triplets, 2 triplets here, and not a triplet here, not a triplet here, so this must be the correct one. Here we are in compound time again, and 12/8. So it'll be 4/4. There'll be 4 quavers. So it will be 3 quavers. There'll be a triplet here, a triplet here. Then we have that there. Okay. So what is looking the same? A, B, or C? Well, C does look pretty similar to what I've drawn, so that must be the answer. Okay, here a dotted crotchet turns to a normal crotchet, so we have to rule already that one out. This is a 3, could be a 3, so we'll write 3 here. And this could be a 3 as well, triplet. We don't have a 3 here, so this is already ruled out, so answer has to be the middle one. So our next one is we have a duplet, and so it has to be, can't be this or this. That's how quickly we've ruled that out, since this already has a duplet and it will change, and this doesn't have 2 semiquavers, so this would be the right answer. Nice and easy exercise 2. Okay, exercise 3. Add the time signatures for each of these rhythms. The first 4 at the bottom included to help you get started. Okay, so we're counting crotchets. 4. So this is a quaver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5/4. And here 1. Now we're doing in quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7/8. Again, we're counting crotchets. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7/4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because these add up to 1 quaver, so it'll be 5/8. So we need to be looking. We don't know our bottom. We don't know our bottom signature. So what we're counting in, we will probably be counting crotchets, I believe, because we have a crotchet here. These add up to crotchets. These add up to crotchet. This is 3 crotchet, and that adds up to crotchets. So our common is crotchets. We've got 1 crotchet, 2 crotchets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/4. And here we have mostly quavers, so this will be an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and easy. 5/8. G is again in mostly crotchets, as we can see, so it'll be 8. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can add a 7 there. So it'll be 7/8. This will be in quavers. Sorry, not quavers. Oh, sorry. These are quavers, by the way. 8 is a quaver. I may have pronounced that wrong. Will be in crotchets. So, because we have a crotchet here, and these add up to crotchets. So we've got 1 crotchet here, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crotchets. Now, we need to group in irregular time signatures, as irregular time signatures contain an odd number of beats. Bars are divided into unequal principles. So let's study this melody and circle true or false for each statement. Each bar contains 7 crotchets. Well, crotchets are quarter notes, so it's something divided by 4. So it has 7 quavers, not crotchets. So this is false. Bars 1 and 3 are divided into 3 plus 4 beats. 3 plus 4 beats. Well, we could see 3, then 4 beats, 3, then 4 beats. Well, this is true. Every bar is divided into the same group of beats, correct? We can tell that because it obviously has the same time signature. Exercise 5. So we need to add the missing bar line to each of these melodies. They all begin on the first beat of the bar. Okay, so we have 5/4. So we've got 1 crotchet, 2 crotchets. Because it's a triplet, we only count 2, 3 crotchets, 4 crotchets, 5 crotchets. So there's a bar line there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means there's a bar line here. Okay. 7 quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got that. 7 fourths, 7 crotchets. So minimum is 2 crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, got that right. 3 more to go for this part 1 on chapter 1. 5 quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another. Then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crotchets. 1, 2. Wait. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. That is a bit of an accident. It should be there. This is a staccato. This is not a minimum. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. Okay. 7 eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is chapter 1 on rhythm in Discovery Music Theory, part 1. There'll be a part 2 coming out soon, so look out for that.